everyone, I am back. I am here to film another eye tutorial. It's another drugstore look, so it's budget friendly. So as always, the first thing I'm going to do is prime my eyes. I am using the Urban Decay primer potion, but you can easily substitute any concealer, any drugstore concealer should work for this exactly the same way. So I am going to use the vanilla color out of the Rosé in the Air palette from Wet n Wild to set that primer. Next, I am going into the Not a Basic Peach palette from Wet n Wild, and I am using the lightest matte peach color in here. I mean, it does have just a teeny bit of glitter in there, but once you get it on the eye, you absolutely cannot see it. It just looks matte. And I'm going in on a blending brush, and I'm going to put that directly into the crease, and I'm going to kind of blow it out a little bit so that it's very smoky and subtle. And I'm using circular motions to do that. So as you can see, you can't see any of the glitters once you kind of work that onto the eye. Now obviously this eye needs blended a little bit more, but I'm not even sure if the glitter is actually in there or if it's just like an overspray. But once you tap your brush, then the glitters like fall off. Next, I am going into the darker matte color in this palette. And this one actually is matte in the palette. And I'm going to concentrate that a little bit more into the crease, but still using the same brush and the same circling technique. Next, I'm going into that matte transition color, and I'm putting it mainly in the outer V and then sweeping whatever's left over up into the crease. Next, I'm going in on a smaller contour brush to this dark brown. And I'm using that to darken up the outer V. To make sure it's nice and blended. Next, I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Infallible in Iced Latte and my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk so that it has something to really stick to. I'm going to apply the NYX and then directly after it, Iced Latte. This one's not working very well. Try something else. Okay, take two. Let me try this smaller brush from e.l.f. There we go. That's a little bit better. So I'm going to do it exactly the same way because I don't know what happens if I do it the other way. So I'll start with this eyeshadow C brush, and then I'll really pack it on a little better with the blending brush from e.l.f. Next, I am going to line my eyes. I'm using the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Smoke, but a black would work just as well. And I'm just going to do a smudgy line. And then, using this EcoTools liner pencil, I'm going to go into that brown again. And smudge it out a bit. And set that liner. I'm going to use my Urban Decay Glide On Pencil in Perversion, it's just black, to line my waterline. And I'm going to fill in my brows and do my mascara. The last thing I'm going to do is use my L'Oreal Iced Latte right in the inner corner. So that is the finished look. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and feel free to leave me a comment and let me know what you'd like to see in the future. Thank you for watching. Peace and love.